Hi students, it's Mr. Panabaker. This is for you 7th graders. I'm going to show the 8th grade students as well in a different video how to log on and access your new materials on Canvas. Okay, Canvas is a piece of software that the school district, go lay down, um, that the school district gives us so that we can teach you online. We can still give you assignments, we can still grade, do all that good stuff, okay? So the quickest, easiest way for you to get into Canvas, log into Clever. That's where I'm at right now. You can see it on my screen, okay? Mine looks a little bit different than yours, but don't worry about it, okay? You're gonna scroll down until you find the icon that looks like this, okay? Canvas, says Canvas on it, has that little red and white, okay? What I'd recommend do is the top right corner of that icon, hit that little heart button. That puts in your favorites. That way when you log into Clever, it's going to be in that top row. Okay? You're going to click on it. It's going to take you to Canvas. Okay? It will make you log in with your district email and password. Okay? If you don't know how to access those, message me. Let me know. But put those in. That'll get you here. Okay? When you're in Canvas, this is what it's going to look like for you. You're going to have a bunch of different classes. You're going to click on Social Studies. And when you enter into Social Studies, what you see on my screen right here is going to be what you see. Okay? You're going to notice this. Okay? On the right-hand side, you have the option to view the course calendar, and there's a to-do list. Okay? If you notice in the to-do list, there's week 1 assignments are due, and this is Friday by midnight. Okay? This is Friday. What you should do, the easiest way to get around Canvas, scroll down to where it says weekly content. Okay, currently we're in week 1, so go ahead and click on week 1. All right, loading up. Okay, here we go. All right. Weekly overview. How did the ideas and innovations of the Renaissance change Western Europe? Okay, every day you're going to have this. Okay, every day you're going to have a little section, and it's going to give you a wonder and think exercise. Think about that like a warm-up. Okay, so you're going to have a warm-up, a little bit of vocabulary, some reading, okay, maybe a few multiple choice questions with that, and then a little writing exercise at the end. Okay, you have 4 things you got to do. Don't worry about finding them. Super easy. Super easy. Okay, keep scrolling down. It's going to give you a little view of what the week looks like. Okay, don't worry about the standards. Okay, those are just telling you what's going to be happening. That's more for us than for you. Okay. Okay, you hit the next button at the bottom of every page to take you over to the next page. Okay, you're gonna see this first page, and this is your actual first assignment. Okay, and it's gonna give you a picture. We've done this in class. Okay, this is a picture that you look at. Okay, and you're gonna answer some of those questions about the picture. Okay, here's what I recommend doing. Okay, so you see the picture. Go up and click Submit Assignment. Okay, and it will bring this up. Okay, you have the option to upload a document you type from a computer, like a Word doc, text entry, media if you're uploading a video, but we don't have any assignments yet. They're going to handle that. Google Drive, whatever. Just do text entry, because that is where, here you go, you type directly into the box and your text comes up. Okay, don't worry about the assignment because you'll be able to see it right up here. Okay, so what you should do is do that, type in your answer, hit submit assignment. Okay, once you do that, it shows you, woo, submitted, gives you little ribbons. Okay, it tells you when. Okay, I will count it as on time as long as this says before Friday at midnight. Okay, then once you're done, again, you just scroll down to the bottom, hit next, and it'll take you to the vocabulary exercise for the day. Okay, sorry, my dogs. Okay, all you're going to do is hit take the quiz. There are, goodness, this is taking forever. There you go. It's going to give you a picture. It's going to give you a definition. You use the word Renaissance in a sentence, and then say what you think Renaissance means based off of the definition and stuff that they give you. Okay? All this stuff's very straightforward, guys. Okay, that is how you get into Canvas and start submitting assignments. All right, I'm going to leave off there. Happy Monday. May the 4th be with you. All right, and if you have any questions, please contact me. I'm happy to help you. All right, folks, miss you all. Talk to you soon. Bye.